Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a GIF in Mailchimp. This is Mailchimp.com website, and first I will log in to my account. To show you how to add a GIF in Mailchimp, let's try to create a regular email as an example. Let's go directly to the design email step. Let's work on this free template. Now add this image block to your email, just like that. Click on this pop-up add image icon, or click on this add button and select upload image. Locate the GIF file on your computer and double click it, just like that. It is now uploading. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Mailchimp online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to set up your Mailchimp account, how to manage your audience inside Mailchimp, also how to create a campaign and manage it, how to create landing pages and forms, integration and API, email customization and personalization, export and download, and also troubleshooting and maintenance. To get all of this today for free, plus these online courses in my university, all you need to do is to go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. And this is how to add a GIF file to Mailchimp. You can edit this GIF file size just like that. You can use the scale tool, the alignment, you can center it or align it to the right. You can also link your GIF to a web address, email, phone number, file, a landing page, or even an anchor on the same email. You can give it an alternative text, change the background. Let's work on this background. And this is how to add a GIF in Mailchimp. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.